Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. I don't know, some wire work is going on outside. I don't know what that is. So you can hear some, weird kind of noise. I can't help it. So yeah, okay. So today I have with me three products from the brand Faces, which are currently sitting on my face comfortably. And one is a foundation, another one is a lipstick, and third is the kajal. So let's talk about this one by one. So I have with me this foundation from the brand Faces Canada, and Faces Canada is, I like this brand a lot. I mean, I don't know, I find the products very nice and they suit my skin, and also packaging is also very good. So this is the Faces Ultime Pro Second Skin Foundation, and I'm in the shade 02 Natural, and this 15 ml of product retails for 899 rupees. Okay, so I applied this on my face right now, and I'll be showing a demo as well of this. About this brand Faces, this is cruelty free. They do not test their products on animals, which is really good. So upon opening, this is how the bottle looks like. Price actually killed me a little bit because this bottle is so small, like 15 ml, and for 900 rupees. Anyways, so this has this, the good thing about this foundation is that this has SPF 15. This has marine algae, which will be very beneficial for your skin, and also this works as a serum. Now we all use a serum before applying a foundation. You don't have to use the serum, you just have to apply this foundation because this actually glides like a serum and this feels very comfortable. I applied this on my face, and yeah, this is comfortable, though I'm sweating a little bit because winters have not officially arrived over here in Delhi because no fan, no AC. So but yes, my skin definitely feels a little, light. It's not that heavy. Whenever I have to do a video, I use makeup, and I mostly use BB creams. I don't like heavy foundations because also they don't match well with my skin. My skin gets breakouts and all after using any foundation. I have shifted to BB creams more because BB creams are light and they let your skin breathe. So, and this foundation, I think I can use this foundation also for videos or for going out because this is also very light, and this is not feeling very chunky or very heavy. And also this foundation has 14 shades, and we all know in India we have different types of tones and textures. There is fair, there is pale, there is wheatish, there is dusky, there is tanned. So I think you will find your perfect shade because there are 14. You have a huge range to look for your shade. So let's see a quick demo of this. Okay, so this is how the bottle looks like, and this comes in the form of a dropper. The consistency of this foundation is a little runny, and I must say this has a very good fragrance. This somewhat smells like that Johnson's baby cream and powder, I guess. I don't know. Yeah. So the good thing about this foundation is that this blends quite easily. Like, it's very easy to blend, and this is quite buildable. I am not sure that, though I think this will be very good for people with dry skin. I mean, with people, I mean women, not men. This will be good for women with dry skin, and I'm not sure how this will be for women with oily skin because I don't know. This is a little oily in texture. So I mean, I'm not sure oily skin people can use this or not, but for dry skin people this is really very good. And as you can see, this gives quite a flawless finish. Yeah. So now I'll come to this thing. This is the Faces Canada lipstick and a kajal. So actually there was this offer going on, and on which you will be getting this kajal free with this lipstick, and this lipstick retails for 799 rupees, and this is basically a matte lip crayon from Faces, and they have 24 different shades. 24, and this one is the Majestic Rose, which I have on my lips right now. And this is the kajal, which retails for 399 rupees, and this you'll get free if you purchase this one for 799. This glides on so easily. This glides very easily, and this is quite dark and black in color, so I loved it. So let's see a demo of this kajal first. Okay, so this is the kajal, and yeah, so this is how it is, and I had a very tough time in removing the wrapper, the outer cover. Please, kids, don't try this at home. Alright, so after removing the outer packaging, this is what we have. I must say this kajal is quite dark and quite black, and with a single stroke you'll get that, you know, a nice coal leaden eyes. You see, this glided so easily, you saw that. And now let's see a demo of this lipstick. This is the lipstick, and I told you the shade is Majestic Rose, and the shade is more like, you know, reddish maroon kind of a shade. This is not close to pink, I suppose. Like rose, we expect pink. The color is so soft and buttery. This glides on lips, as you can see. I rarely apply such bright dark shades, you know. I don't apply such shades. I'm more into browns and nudes, but this color is so beautiful. I don't mind wearing this. Feels like butter. This lipstick also has a very good quality. This glides very easily, although I'm 100% sure this is not transfer proof, and also they have not claimed this to be transfer proof. They just give you nice vibrant color in single stroke. So I think that's it. And yeah, this is not transfer proof, and I can definitely see this color as a nice party wear. Diwali is about to come, so you'll be, you know, having party and all, so you can apply this kind of a shade. It will just instantly brighten up your face, so that way this is good. So yeah, I think you should invest in these products. I really feel so, because I think as the festive season has arrived, you'll need something that will stick on your face for a longer period of time. So I think this is the best buy. So do give this a try. I'll put the link in the description box for all the things I have applied, so you can definitely have a look. And I showed you the texture of foundation and lipstick. You can choose the shade you want. There are shades available on Nykaa and Amazon. Everywhere there are shades available. I'll put the link wherever I can find. I'll put the link. It will be easier for you to find. So yeah, I would ask you to invest in this, because festive season is here. So let's just get decked up. Yeah. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time. It's another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.